Good day, Icky here again. It is the 25th of January 2023, and this is what I was up to yesterday, cleaning out the old pullet barn. I'm about halfway through, well, maybe a third. I'm going to be at it for a couple more days, so nothing exciting going on. Yeah, my back hurts, still. Gotta learn not to bed with hay. The rabbits like it, but it really mats and it's hard to get out. But so when I get it cleaned out, it's going to be bedded with pine shavings. Definitely pine shavings. I'm hoping to pick them up the end of this week. Yesterday's video. I started uploading at about 1 and finished this morning at about 9. I really need to get better internet. That's ridiculous. But anyways, it got done, and I'll try it again today. And we'll just go into the rabbit building here. Yeah. Got a lot out, got a long way to go yet. Anyways, it's the journey, not the destination, and I'll be back at you when I got something more exciting going on. Icky out for now.